Hello, and welcome back to Taiwan Tech Dispatch. I'm your host, White Hsu, bringing you insights where global tech trends meet Taiwan's innovation edge. Today's episode takes us to the heart of Asia's largest ICT and electronics show, COMPUTEX. Since 1981, COMPUTEX has stood alongside CES in Las Vegas and MWC in Barcelona as one of the world's top 3 technology exhibitions. But this year, COMPUTEX 2025 wasn't just about shiny new devices. It was a bold statement of Taiwan's tech ambition in the age of AI. So in the next 10 minutes or so, we'll unpack what's made this year's show so important. From AI-powered startups to airport infrastructure to Taiwan's national strategy for the future. Let's dive in. Chapter 1, The AI Arena, inside COMPUTEX 2025. Stepping into Taipei Nangang Exhibition Center felt like walking into the future. The theme? AI Next. And it showed. Every booth, every keynote, every hallway conversation revolved around generative AI, edge computing, smart mobility, and sustainability. NVIDIA's Jensen Huang gave another high-energy keynote, showcasing MGX, the future of AI infrastructure. Just a few booths away, MediaTek rolled out its latest automotive AI platform. But what really stood out to me was the Startup Island Taiwan zone. Government-backed, founder-driven, and globally ambitious. This was Taiwan saying, we're not just building tech, we're building the future. Quick story. I spoke with a founder from a green tech startup using AI to help cities optimize their energy grids. When I asked why he launched at COMPUTEX, he smiled and said, because this is where Taiwan proves it can lead. That mindset, that energy, was everywhere. Global VCs, startup pitches, enterprise showcases. COMPUTEX is no longer just a local event. It's a global gathering of builders. Chapter 2, Taoyuan Airport, Infrastructure Behind Innovation. But let's step outside the exhibition center. Because tech doesn't happen in isolation. It needs infrastructure. Enter Taoyuan International Airport, Taiwan's primary gateway to the world, and a massive expansion is underway. Terminal 3, a third runway. Capacity, 60 million passengers a year. And here's something you might not know. Taoyuan is already one of the top 10 airports in the world for cargo volume. It's the silent enabler behind your favorite gadgets. But Taiwan's not just expanding, it's upgrading. AI-enabled customs, smart freight, integrated logistic zones. This is a country preparing to lead, not follow. So the next time you see a smart robot on display at COMPUTEX, remember it didn't just appear. It flew in through a smarter, faster, and more connected infrastructure. Chapter 3: Taiwan's Tech Strategy Beyond Hardware. Now, let's zoom out. Because COMPUTEX doesn't just reflect Taiwan's industry, it signals its strategy. For decades, Taiwan was known for hardware, semiconductors, manufacturing, precision electronics. But today, the game is changing. It's about software, about SaaS, about AI services and platforms that scale globally. Building this future isn't just about engineering. It's about talent, vision, and international trust. The government is stepping up, funding deep tech accelerators, reforming education, and partnering with industry leaders like TSMC and MediaTek to build next-gen AI pipelines. At the same time, Taiwan is doubling down on its global role, a democratic, trusted tech partner for the world. In a time when technology and geopolitics are tightly woven, that matters. Closing and takeaways. Let's wrap up with a quick recap. First, COMPUTEX 2025 gave us a look at Taiwan's thriving startup ecosystem. Not just vendors, but innovators. Second, we saw how infrastructure like Taoyuan Airport supports a truly global innovation flow. And third, Taiwan's strategy is evolving. Not just making tech, but leading with purpose. Taiwan's next chapter isn't about joining the game. It's about redefining the rules. And COMPUTEX, it was the perfect preview of what's to come. If you'd like more insights, stories, or photos from COMPUTEX 2025, head over to whitehsu.blog and follow Taiwan Tech Dispatch on LinkedIn and Facebook to stay connected. Thanks for listening. I'm White Hsu. Stay curious, keep building, and I will see you in the next episode.